So here we go, our 20-minute cooking session is over, and now let's dish up. So we've got our pakoras here, which you can see, and the idea is you dip it in a little bit of the chutney that we've got, and then we're going to try it. Not bad, even though I say this is my salad ribs. Give some to my glamorous assistant. Here we go. Yeah? Okay, she says, they're good. That's it, she's making noises. Okay, so now we have the potatoes, so I'm going to put the potatoes on this. That's some of the potatoes going on it. If you wanted, you could have put yogurt, as I said, but I've kept it quite dry because I like it quite. So this is basically your roast potatoes. You can put spinach in it, you can put peas in it, whatever else you want. I've kept it quite plain because they're nice and crispy, and it's lovely to just have.
Oh, hang on.
There you go. So that's the potato done. And then what we're going to do is I'm going to move the, so we're going to get the curry out. So we'll do the turkey curry. I'll take this off because I can put the curry in front of me. That's the curry, and then we obviously put fresh coriander on it. And then we've got the rice, which I will again dish up. The rice, as I said at this point, is lovely and plain. Let me put this down before this cracks or something else. But it's got the aromatic spices, and it's got that little bit of sugar that we've put. But it's, as we said, every grain of rice is beautiful and separate. So that's your rice. And then if you want to zhuzh up the rice, which is a technical term, is I've got some cranberries in there, which I'm putting, and I've got some cashew nuts. And that is your 3-course meal done, or 3-dish meal done with your little spice kit that we had. And we've used it, we've turned the turkey into a turkey curry. We've used the potatoes and turned that into Bombay potatoes, and then we've got the rice with the spices, and we've got pakoras. And so it's a completely different meal from what most of you would have had the day before, but all the same, very tasty, very comforting, and it's great because you can have friends and family over, and it's a great way to use your leftovers. So I hope you've enjoyed that. Merry Christmas. I did have a glass of sherry, but I think it's finished by now, which is why I'm probably a little bit drunk, but have a lovely, lovely Christmas, and we'll see you soon. Thank you.